but we're gonna be jumping into it. This is a MotoStars video. We got some crashes and close calls. We're filming this live so we can show you guys these clips during the week. Okay, so lane filtering crash. Okay, remember lane filtering. People want to go into that open spot where lane
and without making sure the driver decided to change.
Just plan your ride.
The last moment.
Just plan your ride. Position for safety. Locate these hazards and navigate through them. Lane filtering has a high risk situation. Poor line of sight, space cushions, and escape routes. We'll talk a little bit about that one. So Duca rider having a great time. Looks like the flow of traffic. We're not doing anything crazy. He's got a good, whoa! Could not see that, could not anticipate that. Even if you looked in your mirrors, got very, very lucky. This is why we have full gear. And if we're riding with buddies, hopefully they know how to rescue one of us, okay? Rescue a rider, everything here. We have that on our shop. All right, so girl crashes her friend's Grom on the Dragon. It's a no bueno situation here. It seems like they picked the spot. Ooh, she's not wearing gear. Is she okay? How much you want to bet? I don't know if it's true. If those photographers throw some sand or some grass clippings onto the road just so they can get some cool pictures. Crash in tunnel, close call. Okay, let's go through this. Can't see anything now. We can. Oh, almost hit his buddy, and he almost hit him. Thankfully, no other vehicles are coming. Got a sharp left turn. Everyone's doing okay. Hauling ass, changing of light can really mess you up.
Drivers were forced to brake quite suddenly before the pedestrian crossing. Unfortunately, this rider reacted too late.
Okay, you see how we're going in and out? Oh. Oh my gosh. We were going in and out because let's just pause that. I typically don't pause, but everyone's saying I need to. We're going in and out. We're hauling ass. We're not doing what we're supposed to be doing. And we're riding like we're rushed. We're treating everything in front of us like obstacles we have to go around. No, that's not how traffic works. Traffic moves in a motion. While you're there, you go the speed limit, you do what you need to do, you don't go crossing in front of people. What this person is trying to treat this as is all these cars are freaking rocks in a stream and this person's trying to go through it. That is what's going to get you killed. That's exactly what happened here. We're watching this. Let's do it again. He's treating traffic like obstacles to go around. No, they're traffic. It's traffic. Look, there's him right there. High, ejected, high mechanism of injury. Super high mechanism injury. Easily die from this. Easily die from this. Okay, watch out. We got farm fields. Are we in low side? Yeah. I was more concerned about animals and stuff, but looks like he hit something. Maybe leaned the bike a little too far. Either way, he lost traction on his tires and fell. So if that happens, what's going to protect you? Your gear. Make sure you wear some gear. We do have a link to some beginner gear from Revzilla. They like to change it out based on availability of the gear, but it's usually lower price stuff, and it's from head to toe. It's pretty cool. Road surface hazards. So we got ice possibly on the ground. Okay, we don't deal with ice here in Tucson very often. It did snow last night, by the way. Ooh, there goes the ice. Both people jumped. Yep, trying to stop him from doing it. Is he gonna fall too? Good job. He's trying to prevent his buddy from crashing, and then he's gonna check everybody around here. So very good. He prevented a few others from crashing. Hey, that's all you can do. That means he's kind of aware. So he hit his head, and then now he's aware of where he's at. So that's pretty good. That's a good sign that there's probably not a traumatic brain injury.
Needs to stay focused on the road and what.
Middle. I like middle for these turns because then you can get away from the sides. Okay, we got side of the vehicle coming up here. That person probably doesn't see us because it's an idiot. Oh no, maybe they're just stuck. And then we crashed. We were focused on that. I was looking there too. I didn't look forward. I got white zoned out just like this rider did. I zoned out looking at that vehicle. I thought it was stuck, high centered, and then that person just ran into him. So let's go back just a little bit here. Let's see what happens. So that's how easy it is. So we're gonna look at the side of the vehicle and we don't see it moving. So our focus needs to go to the front again. So look at here, brake lights coming up ahead. Oh, there's brake lights, and then we dump the bike. So what I like to do in this situation is mainly go here. Okay, if you can't brake in time, swerve in time. Get yourself out of there. Position yourself better for safety. Let's say we were stuck here on the line instead of behind the vehicle, and we weren't paying attention, and we looked forward, and then all of a sudden we just kind of go forward a little bit and like, oh crap, and then stop like up here. That is way better. And then you just look like an idiot that you're trying to lane filter, but you weren't. instead of being on the ground and crashing and possibly hurting yourself and damaging yourself financially.